The Snohomish River might sue you. Yes, we've now reached a point where, at least in Everett, people are pretending a river has rights. Welcome to the Jason Rand Show, presented by None Better Tax Resolution. Voters in Everett passed a measure saying the Snohomish River Watershed has the right to, quote, exist, regenerate, and flourish. And if someone violates these rights, well, apparently residents can sue you on behalf of the river. I'm not making this up. It's part of the so-called rights of nature movement. It started overseas in places like Ecuador and New Zealand, and it slowly started to trickle into the United States and, of course, in Everett. The problem, of course, it's legally absurd. A river can't walk into court. It can't even flow into court, I guess, unless there's a flood. It can't hire a lawyer. It can't testify. So developers and business groups immediately sued, and they said the initiative violates state law. And of course, they're right. Washington law doesn't let local governments pass something that conflicts with existing environmental regulations. Even the Everett city attorney admits that state and federal laws already protect the watershed. So there's a hearing this Friday in Snohomish County Superior Court, and frankly, it shouldn't take long. Here's the real issue. Under the law, to file a lawsuit, you have to show you were injured. But now activists want to say a river was injured, and random people apparently can speak on its behalf. But who decides who speaks for the river? What if two groups claim to know what the river wants? Does the mud or sediment get a vote? It's the ultimate eco-extremist fantasy, a way to block any new development or construction simply by claiming that the river objects. Soon, maybe a pile of weeds are going to stop you from building a duplex. Let's be clear. You can love the environment and still reject this nonsense. We can protect salmon runs, clean up pollution, punish actual violators, but pretending rivers have rights? Come on, that's not environmentalism. That's performance art. Rivers aren't people. Rivers Cuomo is as close as you're going to get, and even that's a question. The court should strike this down and remind everyone that the law is meant for humans, not bodies of water with good PR. So, Greg, how have the changes at the IRS actually impacted collections?
Jason, I really have not seen any change in collection, and in fact, quite the opposite. IRS is sending out notices much quicker and less of them. It used to be there'd be 5 or 6 notices that would come out. Now they're doing 3.
So if you're having trouble with the IRS, you have to call Greg Nunn of None Better Tax Resolution. From stress to success with IRS Solutions.